it doesn't make sense to come to markets and sell a full banana at 100 or 200 because it will go bad and so on. There are very many ways, even with the, with the technology can use to make the wine we are talking about, but also even banana juices, so that even the ripe bananas never go bad. And there are also some other industries which are showing that you can use everything of a banana. You can use even the leaves, you can use for different purposes. I understand you can even have vegetables and so on. So we are saying that we would like it to be an industry, in this area where everything we have about bananas and so on is produced.
People perish for lack of knowledge. So for me, it's a good beginning because we are beginning with training. And the other problem we have in Kenya is sustainability. And we have the county government here this afternoon. We have our area MCA. We're in collaboration with the governor of Meru, so that at least we can make sure that this project does not begin and die, but goes on for many years. The other products, like even banana puree, which can be used for banana milkshake or even banana cake. Instead of someone buying the banana and mashing it for themselves, they can get it from the shelf.